Dear children, so welcome to the session. In last session we discussed some chemical formulas. So now we can continue with it. So in the last session we discussed that last question is iron 3 chloride, showing that the iron is having the valency is +3 and chloride is having the valency is -1. So when we apply crisscross means, so in that iron the subscript it will be 1 only, so no need to put 1 here. In chloride the subscript it will be 3. So the formula for iron 3 chloride is FeCl3. FeCl3. And next question is sodium carbonate. For sodium carbonate, what is the valency for sodium +1? What is the formula for sodium? Na. The formula for sodium is Na and the valency for sodium is +1. And next is carbonate. So what is the formula for carbonate, children? CO3. So CO3 is the formula for carbonate, CO3. And the valency for carbonate is -2. The valency for carbonate is -2. So when we apply crisscross, the 2 will come nearer to the subscript of sodium and the 1 will come nearer to the subscript of carbonate. But no need to mention the 1. So what is the formula for sodium carbonate? Na2CO3. Na2CO3 is the formula for sodium carbonate. The carbonate formula is CO3 2- and the bicarbonate formula is HCO3 -1. Don't confuse with the carbonate CO3. The valency is -2 for bicarbonate, or we can tell it as hydrogen carbonate. We can tell bicarbonate or hydrogen carbonate. The valency for bicarbonate is -1. And next we can go for the next question is copper 3 sulfate. Copper 3 sulfate. For copper, what is the formula for copper, children? Cu. The formula for copper is Cu. So valency is +2. So valency for copper is +2. And for sulfate, what is the formula? SO4. For sulfate, the formula it will be SO4 and the valency is -2. So the valency for sulfate is -2. So for copper also the valency is 2 and for sulfate also the valency is 2. When we apply crisscross, it will come Cu2SO4 twice. Both are having the same valency. That means when we convert them into ratio, it will become 1:1. So we can write CuSO4. The copper sulfate formula is CuSO4. CuSO4 is the formula for copper 2 sulfate. And next question is magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium. What is the formula for magnesium, children? Mg. The formula for magnesium is Mg. And the valency for magnesium is +2. And for hydroxide, the formula for hydroxide is OH. The formula for hydroxide is OH. And the valency for hydroxide is -1. The valency for hydroxide is -1. So, when we apply crisscross means in magnesium, the 1 will come here nearer to magnesium as a subscript. But no need to mention the Mg. And the 2 will come nearer to OH. Hydroxide formula is OH. Actually, in hydroxide there are 2 elements are there. What are that? Oxygen, hydrogen. If there is 2 elements are there, means if we want to put the valency of the nearer atom, means we have to put the numbers only after the square bracket. So after the square bracket only we have to put the 2 in the subscript of OH. Why? Because of the OH, the hydroxide, it has the 2 different elements are there. If only 1 element means no need to mention the square bracket. If there is 2 element means we have to mention the square bracket, and after that only we have to mention the valency of the nearest element. So, the magnesium hydroxide formula is Mg. For magnesium, the valency for hydroxide is 1, so no need to mention the 1 here. And hydroxide, the formula is OH. So we have to mention the square bracket. And what is the valency for magnesium? 2. So the 2 will be mentioned in the subscript of OH. So this is the formula for magnesium hydroxide. And next is barium nitrate. For barium, the formula for barium, what, children? Ba. The formula for barium is Ba. The valency for barium +2. And for nitrate, what is the formula for nitrate, children? NO3. The nitrate formula is NO3. And what is the valency for nitrate? It is -1. So, when we apply crisscross, so nearer to barium, 1 will become, but no need to mention 1. And nearer to nitrate, the 2 will come. So here we have to mention the square bracket, because the nitrate, the formula is NO3. So after the square bracket only we have to put 2. So the formula for barium nitrate is BaNO3 twice. BaNO3 twice. And next is lithium sulfate. For lithium, what is the formula for lithium, children? Li. The valency for lithium is +1. And for sulfate, what is the formula for sulfate, children? SO4. The formula for sulfate is SO4. The valency for sulfate is -2. The valency for sulfate is -2. So, when we apply crisscross, what is the formula? Li2SO4. Because the sulfate valency is 2, so these two will come nearer to the subscript of lithium, and for lithium, the valency is +1, so no need to mention the subscript nearer to sulfate. So the formula for lithium sulfate is Li2SO4. Li2SO4. And next is magnesium chloride. For magnesium, the formula for magnesium is Mg. The valency for magnesium is +2. For chloride, the formula for chloride is Cl, and the valency for chloride is -1. When we apply crisscross, so nearer to magnesium, 1 will come, no need to mention the 1, and nearer to chloride, the 2 will come. The formula it will be MgCl2. And next is silver nitrate. For silver, the formula for silver is Ag. The valency for silver is +1. For nitrate, the formula for nitrate is NO3, and the valency is -1. So when we apply crisscross, both are having the same valency as 1. So the formula for silver nitrate is AgNO3. And next is aluminium sulfate. For aluminium, the formula for aluminium is Al, and the valency is +3. And for sulfate, the formula for sulfate is SO4. The valency for sulfate is -2. So, the 2 will come nearer to the aluminium subscript, and the 3 will come nearer to the subscript of sulfate. So, here we have to put the square bracket, because it contains 2 elements, and the oxygen is having 4 number of atoms. So here we have to put the square bracket, and after that only we have to mention the 3 in the subscript. The formula is Al2SO4 thrice. Al2SO4 thrice is the formula for aluminium sulfate. And finally, you are having the 2 questions, that is calcium hydroxide and calcium sulfate. So you have to answer the 2 questions through WhatsApp group. So this is the homework for you children. Make it fast and send the answers through WhatsApp.